Good morning, folks. Grandpa Cavendish here. It's Saturday, January 28th. I'm in New York City. I'm down in the lower part of Manhattan in Chinatown. And enjoying the Peterson Meerschaum with some Condor. And why Condor? Well, this is the start of the Chinese New Year, and it's the year of the Rooster. So we're going to take you on one of our little adventures here, the ethnic neighborhoods of New York, and we're going to show you the firecracker celebration to kick off the new year. So come on inside. This is the park where it's going to take place. It's Sarah Roosevelt Park. People are starting to gather here. So they're getting ready for the big celebration. So we're going to we'll go inside. I can't bring a pipe, of course. It's a city park, so there's no smoking in City Park. So I'll finish up some Condor here, and then we'll go in. Okay? So follow me in. See you in a bit.